Hello friends, welcome back to the English journey with Kuldeep. My name is Kuldeep and I am here to help you speak English correctly and confidently. So guys, many people make mistakes while speaking English. But don't worry, in this video I will tell you 5 common mistakes and how to fix them in easy way. So watch this video till the end. Mistake 1. He go to school. Correct. He goes to school. When we talk about he, she, or it, third person singular subject, we must edit yes or es to the verb in present simple tense. So it should be he goes to school, not he go to school. Mistake 2. I didn't went to the market. Correct. I didn't go to the market. After didn't, we always use the base form of the verb. We never use past tense verb with didn't. So just say I didn't go instead of I didn't went. Mistake 3. She is more smarter than me. Correct. She is smarter than me. The word smarter is already means more intelligent. So we don't need more before it. For example, this book is cheaper than that one, not more cheaper. Mistake 4. I am having two brothers. Correct. I have two brothers. So guys, when we talk about possession, something we own or a family relation, we don't use having. For example, I have a car, she has long hair, I have two brothers. So when can we use having? We use having for actions like eating, enjoying or experiencing something. So final rule to remember, for possession use has have, for actions use having. Mistake 5. Let's discuss about this topic. Correct. Let's discuss this topic. The word discuss already means talk about. So we don't need about after it. The correct sentence is let's discuss this topic. So guys, these are the common mistakes in English. But now you know how to fix them. Keep practicing and you will improve day by day. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comments below if you want more video like this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.